Hi, besties. Join me. Let's carry out this experiment together. So, it's my first time cooking and eating eggplant. Yes, you heard me right. You can see it over there. Okay. So, for this eggplant stew, we're going to need eggplant. Yes. I used carrots. I used green pea. I used bell peppers, the yellow, the green, and the red. I used fresh tomatoes. Yes, tomato mix with pepper and the rest of them. Then I used mackerel. So I got this over the weekend. Today is Thursday, right? Yes, I got this over the weekend and I have not been able to prepare it. So here I'm trying to fry the eggplant. I had to fry it first. Okay, I fried it first. Yes, just like I fried my fish. After frying the fish, I fried the eggplant. I mean, egg sauce. I fried the eggplant. So after frying, I take it off the heat. Yes, we are doing this experiment together. So if I cook it well, fine. If I don't cook it well, we are gonna eat it like that. So I took it off the heat and then I added my onions. Yes, I added my onions and then I added I stir a bit, I stir a bit, I stir a bit, then I added the tomato mix. Tomatoes mix. Yes. I had wanted to slice it. Then here I'm trying to add, I have added my green pea. The green pea was not cooked. It's still very fresh. It is very hard. So I had to add it as soon as I added the tomatoes so they can both cook together. Okay, the tomato has been cooking or frying. Now I've just added my Knorr cubes. Then here I'm adding the fish. I wanted this fish to soak in the stew. Okay, that's why I added it early. So you can see I'm adding salt, then I stir it. Here I don't open make I check I can't add my carrots. I've just added the carrots, then I stirred it. Guys, I love veggies in my sauce, in my stew. Whatever I'm cooking, my veggies must be there. So here I'm adding the red bell pepper. Yes. Then the green red pepper. I got all of this over the weekend. I didn't have time to cook, though I had stew in the freezer, so that's what we have been eating now. I had stew, I had soup, so I've added the yellow bell pepper here. I have just added our main ingredient, eggplant. Then I'm adding crayfish. Then that's ginger powder. Then you stir everything together. Check out our stew. Check out this stew. Check out this stew. At the end of the day, I was looking for the eggplants inside the stew, and our food is ready. I paired it with white rice. Look at the eggplant. It's even looking like fish. Guys, this tasted so nice. So it means I'm gonna be cooking more of it. Guys, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys always. Okay. Try this. Make sure you try this too out. Try it. Yes, it tasted so well. So you're gonna be seeing more of eggplant in my cooking videos. See you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.